Close the air, start the compressor. Okay, no leaking air. It is rising. "30 seconds has passed. "50 seconds, you can hear it's making a strange noise. This side is cold. This side is hot. It's still, you can touch it, but it's much more hot than this side. Okay, 90 seconds. This is still cold. This now you can touch, but it's much more hot than this side. Two minutes has passed. You see, it does not rise much more anymore. Here you can leave your hand on it. It's hot, but you can resist. This you cannot resist anymore. Two minutes, 30 seconds. Three minutes. You may hear the motor sound as if it's getting slower. It starts vibrating. You may see it's moving, not running round anymore. You may hear that it's not turning normally round, it's getting slower and slower. And here it is not rising anymore. You may hear it is slower. It cut by himself. The fan of the cooling system is still running. So voltage is okay. The fan is running. Here it stops. It is smelling burnt. This is too hot. It smells like burnt, I don't know, plastic, but it smells very bad. Okay, I will release the air so you see that it gets down and it will not start again. I will release. You see, it does not start again. This is much too hot here. This you can resist. This not. This side is much too hot. It will not start again, even if it's getting on 0. You see the switch is on. We can close here. It will not start again. Yes, the only thing that is sounding is the fan. And this part here, this is sounding. Now you cannot hear anything. It's no leakage, nothing getting out. Yeah. You see no reaction. I will start again. The fan is starting again, the fan of the cooling system. The motor is not starting anymore. Okay, I believe this motor must be damaged, because it's also smelling at burnt plastic. The rest of the parts, I believe, must be okay. Now it starts again, you can hear. We will see how long it will take. "30 seconds of the second start. This hose is also quite hot. You can hear again, it's not sounding round. It begins to vibrate a little bit. You may see from this ring here the vibration. Now it's not rising anymore, it will stop there. You may hear the motors getting slower. You see the vibration in all the system. Oh, this is also very hot, but much more on this side. Now you cannot touch any one of them. It should rise minimum to the red part, but it will not reach this part. You see the vibration of the motor. It's getting slower. And now I believe it will stop very soon. Yeah, fan is still running. Release air. No air leakage anywhere. Fan is still running. Motor will not start. Smells very, very bad, like burnt plastic. Fan is still running. No leakage anywhere. No leakage here, no leakage here, no leakage at the solenoid valve, and no starting.